guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today I'm doing a video I have never done here on my channel. We're doing a skincare video. So not only has it been a while since I've shared skincare products with you guys, but if you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that when it comes to skincare, I think splurging is absolutely worth it because skin can't be reversed. So I really think you need to take care of your skin. And honestly, from my experience growing up, I felt like drugstore skincare was terrible. It sucked. Let's be honest. I thought drugstore skincare sucked. Just from me growing up, I always tried different drugstore skincare products, and it wasn't until I got older that I started to try things that were a little more expensive, and I realized that they were actually better and more worth it because I saw more differences in my skin. Now, recently, a lot of you guys have commented and said, hey, you need to try more drugstore skincare because they have gotten better. And I have gone for the last, honestly, for all 2020, I have been trying different drugstore skincare products because I really wanted to come up with a drugstore skincare routine that I absolutely 100% love and I stand behind to share with you guys. And today's the day that we finally have it. It's a very simple routine. I don't have like toner. I'm not talking about like nighttime routine. It is a very simple daily skincare routine, all from the drugstore. All these products I stand by and I think they're actually amazing and act a lot like a high-end product where it really did make a difference in how my skin looked, felt, and I really love them and I wanted to share them with you guys. I know that we're on a budget. 2020 has been a hard year and it's crunch time, budget time. So I'm here to share with you guys a really simple, affordable drugstore skincare routine that actually works and actually makes a difference. So I hope you're excited. Hit the like button if you like drugstore skincare videos. Also subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload every single Wednesday and Friday. And let's just get started. I almost forgot to mention, you guys, this skincare routine actually works well if you're a teenager as well because there's nothing super heavy in this routine, and I feel like it's something that's very light, and if you have younger skin, it's actually good to start to really nourish your skin and create a really good skincare routine for yourself. So just wanted to point that out there. No matter what kind of skin you have, no matter the age, I think this is actually a really good skincare routine across the board. Honestly, I was baffled on how clear and bright and healthy, almost younger, my skin looked after using these products. I've used these products, like I said, for months, and I just wanted to be absolutely sure before I did this video, and it really was a night to day difference when I consistently use these products. And the difference between these products and what I was using before is that these really did even my skin, like even my skin tone. I have olive skin, not to mention I'm Latina, so I get like dark spots, and sometimes just my skin color itself doesn't look as even and as smooth, and my skin doesn't look as bright. Now, when I started using these products, and I think it has a lot to do, honestly, with the cleanser, which I would have never tried otherwise, actually really did smooth and almost made my face look like it was more clear. I can't even describe it as well as I wish that I could because it really did. I noticed a big difference. I'm going to be completely honest. I did notice a difference using these products compared to when I used other products. So let's just get started. First thing that I have here is a cleanser. So I use every single morning this super clarifying e.l.f. cleanser. It's a cleanser with clarifying, I'm not gonna pronounce this right, but it's the super clarifying cleanser from e.l.f. And at first, super clarifying isn't something that I would necessarily go towards because first off, I don't break out that often. I don't have, there's obviously certain times when I have a breakout, but I don't have like acne all over my face or anything like that. And sometimes when I hear clarifying, I feel like it's going to be it's going to strip my skin because I do have dry skin. But This did not ever make me feel dry, ever make me feel stripped, and I've used it every single morning. So it says it maintains moisture content and it tones and clarifies. This actually does that. Sometimes I feel like cleansers that claim to tone and clarify aren't necessarily going to clear your skin and like just make it like even, and especially because I have that Latina skin, it's really hard for me to get it to be one even, like my skin tone to actually be even and smooth almost. But this actually does that, you guys, and it's not too heavy for daily use. So it basically says makeup dirt and oil don't stand a chance against this gentle yet clarifying cleanser. So it is something that you can use every single day, and it is supposed to keep that hydration into your skin. So I feel like if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, both can use this. And I'm basically down here to the bottom. I'm gonna have to repurchase another one because I really do think it's really nice. I also like to use this with a brush personally because I like to use my skin brush, but you don't have to. You can definitely just use it by itself, and I think it is so amazing and so good. And like I said, toned my skin, made my skin feel very clear and bright and healthy. It did not dry out my skin at all, and I absolutely love this cleanser. It's so amazing. Okay, so after I cleanse my skin, I go in straight away with these hydration booster drops from e.l.f. You guys, I'm at the very end, so that tells you something because I have a lot of different booster drops. I try out a lot of different products, so the fact that I kept going to these ones and that they're so here, literally at this bottom line, that's where I'm at already, and these are so good. These do not feel oily at all. If you've never tried hydration drops, they don't feel oily. They almost feel like gel water, and they just really, it goes on your skin and sinks in there, but it doesn't disappear. I definitely am not for skincare that I put on and that when it dries it disappears, and I'm like, okay, that did absolutely nothing for me. I want to feel that my skin is hydrated, plumpier, and I feel like when you add more hydration, your skin will get plumpier feeling. I can't even explain it until you feel it for yourself. Then you'll kind of know what I'm talking about. You get plumpy, you feel young, your skin just feels so hydrated, it just feels good. So these hydrating drops are so bomb. So I put these on straight away. Then next I go with these Avocado and Aloe double shot serum. This is a very light serum. This is a serum that's great no matter what age you are. It's nothing too heavy. I know if you're a teen and you're younger, you don't want to necessarily put on really heavy serums. I would think you want something that's very lightweight. And this is just absolutely amazing. This is from Fourth Ray Beauty, which is actually ColourPop's skincare line, and it is bomb. It is so good. You just shake it up and oh my gosh. So after I'm done putting on the serum, I typically go in with my eye cream. And this e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream is so lightweight. It feels so nice. I feel like the consistency makes it perfect for someone that has younger skin, for teens, or someone that's more mature. I love putting it underneath the eye and underneath the brow. It's so good, you guys. I absolutely love it. And then finally, the last thing that I put on is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cream. It is such a good hydrating moisturizer. I absolutely love it, and I think that it really does make your skin feel plump and hydrated, and it is so good, you guys. One of my favorite moisturizers of all time, and I can't believe how affordable it is. So that's basically my drugstore skincare routine. I'm going to mention one more thing because this is kind of something that I do sometimes, and sometimes I don't do this. But if you want like a primer spray slash skincare spray that you can spray on your face like before you do your makeup, just to give you a little bit of extra healing power, hydration, this is a really good one. I got it from Ulta, again, drugstore prices. It's the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender. This is so good. Again, I'm at the bottom, and this is like my second bottle. It is really good. I spray this before I start doing my makeup to give me a little bit more hydration, a little bit, it can help heal my skin a little bit better. Again, Aloe, Chamomile, so good. And It also has vitamin C in it, so it's just a really good spray. Again, I consider this skincare. I definitely don't do this on top of makeup, but sometimes I use this, and I thought I would mention it for those of you that like these kind of things, these kind of sprays. Very good and refreshing. So that's my drugstore skincare routine, you guys. I hope you really like it. I'm telling you, these products are amazing. Even if you maybe have a skincare routine that you really like and you're looking for a good affordable like serum or booster drops or moisturizer or whatever the case may be, these products are really good, and I really suggest you guys try them. If you have a drugstore skincare product that you think I should try because it's really good, comment below. Tell me what it is. I'm still trying out products because I want to do a video sharing a bunch of drugstore skincare products that I think are just good, like my favorites, because I'm not gonna lie, there are some drugstore products that I love and that I kind of switch up, but this is just a full routine that I wanted to give you guys, because then we'd be here forever talking about, well, you could also use this moisturizer and this one. So if you have something that you think that I should try, comment below. Tell me what it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.